welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to inflate a balloon experiment. Here's the supplies that you're going to need. Empty water bottle, baking soda, balloon, vinegar, half a cup of vinegar, funnel, and maybe a spoon. So first, we're going to get this. Carefully put the vinegar in here. And then get your balloon, put it on here, nice and good. And then you're going to pour baking soda inside there. If it doesn't get in there, then use your spoon and make it go in there. Now that's filled in there, we're going to carefully take this off. Then get the plastic bottle. I'm going to give this to my mom. And now you're going to get the balloon. Put it down here. It's going to blow up. Cool, right? Oh my God. How does it work? The baking soda and the vinegar creates acid-base reaction, and the two chemicals work together to create a gas, carbon dioxide. Bye. Hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for more.